Welcome to the AI and Automation Guide, moving you from foundations to mastery. This video is designed for both beginners and specialists. We will cover 8 core areas, including AI tool stacking, AI agents, AI-assisted coding, GEO and AEO skills, RAG, AI app builders, prompt engineering, and automation workflows. Mastery means integrating these 8 skills into one operating system. The goal is an integrated workflow that compounds productivity, not just mastering one tool. We cover beginner and specialist views. The beginner track involves learning concepts and following starter projects. The specialist track uses technical definitions, maps concepts to existing systems, and focuses on implementation and monitoring. Always document your process. AI tool stacking for beginners means combining multiple tools where each does one job well. This framework includes capturing inputs, generating content with AI, storing knowledge, and orchestrating automation. Stacks offer faster execution than single tools. Technically, AI tool stacking is a multi-tool workflow integrated via APIs and data exchange, leading to a repeatable, measurable pipeline. Tool stacking matters because it reduces manual work, offers cost leverage, improves quality by reducing human errors, and boosts scalability. An example stack is the content system. It uses a Notion database as a repository, Notion AI for generating ideas, Zapier to link tools, and ClickUp to turn ideas into actionable tasks. To build a content calendar automation, start by creating a Notion account and setting up a content calendar database. Then, use Notion AI to generate 10 content ideas within the database. The next steps are connecting Notion to ClickUp via Zapier and testing the automation. Verify that the trigger works, task fields are mapped, and error notifications are defined. An AI agent is a robot that decides the next steps and executes tasks autonomously. This core behavior includes planning, acting, and reporting results, like collecting weather information without explicit step-by-step instructions. Technically, AI agents are LLM-based systems that plan, decide, execute, and learn, often using architectures like React. Their key differentiator is multi-step decision-making and tool use in a continuous loop. AI agents are a force multiplier because they provide autonomy with less human intervention and adaptive intelligence. They scale to many concurrent tasks, resulting in high ROI. Tools like CrewAI allow you to build a collaborating team of agents with specialized roles. This framework often uses the React paradigm, which combines reasoning and acting for smarter decision-making. To build an automated research agent, install CrewAI, define a researcher role, assign a task like research latest AI trends, then run and review the autonomous results. The minimal CrewAI setup involves defining an agent with a role, goal, and backstory. These components shape the agent's function, objective, and approach. You can expand these roles to scale to a multi-agent crew. AI acts as your coding companion by predicting and helping you write code as you program. It assists with autocomplete, code generation, bug detection, and refactoring. Code LLMs are specialized transformer-based models trained on large code corpora. Their contextual understanding leads to faster and cleaner development cycles. AI-assisted coding increases development speed by 40 to 60%. It also reduces errors, accelerates the learning of new languages, and enables efficient teams to deliver bigger projects. GitHub Copilot integrates into VS Code and supports over 40 languages. Codex provides an API for natural language to code translation. A key usage tip is that clearer comments lead to better code outputs. For a mini project, install Copilot in versus code and create a Python file. By writing a clear comment describing the Fibonacci function, you can observe, accept, and test the code suggested by Copilot. GEO and AEO are about being found in the AI search era. GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, focuses on generative AI engines, while AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization, targets direct answers like snippets and voice search. The technical building blocks for this include semantic SEO and schema markup. The practical output is content written to answer specific questions, plus machine-readable structured data. Strategic importance is high, with 50% of searches forecast to be via AI by 2027. This increases the importance of direct answers, as most competitors are still unfamiliar with GEO. Useful tools include Searchable for monitoring AI engine interpretation, Writesonic for content generation, and AirOps for strategic automation of SEO and competitor analysis. To upgrade an article for AEO, pick an existing article and use AI to identify common FAQs. Add an FAQ section with concise answers, then implement FAQ schema markup and test visibility. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, allows the AI to answer questions using your private knowledge or files. It works by retrieving relevant information before generating grounded answers. The RAG pipeline involves 4 steps: creating embeddings, storing them in a vector database, retrieving relevant data chunks, and combining that context with the LLM to generate an accurate answer. Tools for RAG include Llama Index, which helps build RAG apps supporting various data sources, and Pinecone, a cloud vector database for fast, scalable retrieval. To build a chatbot over your PDFs, install Llama Index, prepare your data in a Quos data folder, build an index using the documents, and then query the index to observe improved accuracy. AI app builders let you build apps by describing your requirements, moving from idea to app in hours. This uses no-code or low-code methods, enabling rapid experimentation and lower cost. Replit is a browser-based IDE with AI assistance for coding and instant deployment. Builder.ai, using the Antigravity platform, proposes architecture and produces a ready-to-use app based on your described needs. To build a simple to-do web app, start a Python Flask REPL in Replit. Write a clear prompt comment describing the app's features. Let Replit AI complete the code, then run and share the application. Prompt engineering is about clear communication with the AI. It matters because it results in better output quality, saves time, offers more control, and provides a competitive advantage. Key techniques include few-shot examples, chain-of-thought reasoning, role prompting, and context injection. Remember to define the role, task, constraints, and output format for the best results. Upgrade weak prompts by defining the role, task, constraints, and format. For instance, assign the role of a 15-year expert, set word count requirements, and specify a format with headings and examples. Build a personal prompt library in a document or database. Try prompts across 5 topics, refining weak prompts into strong, reusable structures for areas like marketing or coding. An automation workflow is a sequence from a trigger to an outcome, like a domino chain reaction. It involves the initial event, sequential actions, logical conditions, and error handling mechanisms. Tools like Gumloop allow no-code AI workflows for tasks like email processing and report generation. ClickUp automations manage rules for assigning tasks and notifications based on status changes. The new client intake automation begins when a client fills a form. It then automatically creates a CRM record, sends a personalized AI welcome email, creates a follow-up task, and notifies the team in Slack. The implementation begins with a webhook trigger from a form like Typeform or Jotform, which sends data to an automation tool like Make or Zapier. Next, an API creates a CRM record, and inputs are sent to the AI with a prepared prompt. Finally, the system sends the generated welcome email via the CRM tool or SendGrid. Part 2 involves creating a ClickUp task, assigning it using conditional logic, and posting a Slack notification via a webhook. Critical to this is error handling, defining a fallback path that alerts the system owner if an API fails. Finally, maintain the system with weekly log reviews and refinements. Real mastery comes from stitching these 8 areas into a single operating workflow. Start by picking one project, measuring the results, expanding your stack, and documenting both your prompts and workflows. Thank you for watching this video. Start building your AI operating system today. If you need help, please join our Discord community.